We are a company that specializes in building tube filling machines. So we do a range of tube filling machines from 40 tubes per minute up to the world's fastest tube filling machine. That's 1,000 tubes per minute.
When we started with the additive manufacturing here at Norden, we only had our 3D printer and not any post-processing machines for our parts. But then we got the vapor smoother and it enabled us to create a lot more parts. Because now we have smoother parts, we have cleaner parts, which has a lot more applications in our machines. Our customers need to know that if they spill any oil or product on our parts, our 3D printer parts, they need to know that they can be cleaned so it doesn't get any bacteria on them. That was an issue we had before when we didn't have the vapor smoothing. But the vapor smoothing enabled us to place our 3D printed parts where there is a risk for contamination, because now they can get cleaned because of their smooth texture.
2022, we did roughly 3,000 3D printed parts for our machines. That number escalated in 2023, so it was nearly 6,000 parts. And last year it was roughly 10,000 3D printed parts in our machines. So it's been an exponential rise in components for the 3D printer project.
3D printing has opened up flexibility for the workflow. If you compare CNC machining and 3D printing together, we can now 3D print with different geometries and products that are not able to produce in the CNC machine. And it's also a good mix with CNC machine and 3D printing, because you can choose the best way to produce the product. Some parts in the 3D printer and some parts in the CNC machine.